Hi everyone. So this is what the garden is starting to look like. So got I think that's just the hyssop and everything is growing in there. My pepper is starting to come up. And get that stupid cotton. We have cottonwood trees here. So I'm still waiting for things in this planter to work. I might have to reseed it. There's some things going in here. So this one has the thyme and the stevia. So that one right there is the thyme and the stevia. There's some little things finally growing here. So this is the sunflower and these are turnips and Swiss chard. So Swiss chard's in the middle. So my turnips, I don't know if they'll be ready to. The turnips and the Swiss chard right there. We have basil over here, and my pepper is coming up. So oh, that tastes so good. So over here, I replanted the cow peas in the middle. Those are carrots. I think those maybe peas, cow peas coming up. Anyway, I did that. So this is the lemon squash right here. And I'm trying to save this right here. I'm trying to save that one right there. We'll see. But my tomatoes, the old German tomatoes, we've got 3 of them growing. That's so cool. Some carrots here, and I replanted some carrots. Something popped up overnight. This is my cucumbers and my sugar snap peas. The things are starting to pop up because it got nice and warm. That looks like parsley right there. But yeah, that's what's going on here. And I've got this one up here. And nice and sunny. So I got 2 sunflowers, and that is cilantro. And then, ooh, we got some more over here growing. I'm so excited to see. So I'm going to show y'all on front. And I bought these things from Temu to market. These are don't cut these. So I think that's either evening primrose. It may be evening primrose. It don't look like mullein yet. So we'll shall see. But yeah, everything I put back over here and dumped, they keep cutting it down. So I don't know. But something's growing. We shall see. We got some things growing there. We have Anastasia's rocks. So what they need to trim, they don't. What they don't need to trim, they do. So these look like trees. I don't know exactly. I threw seeds down here years ago. So I don't know. Just let it grow. So our grass people come on Fridays, but they don't clean underneath before they go from place to place. So whatever seeds, his stuff they've cut, it gets scattered. So I do have stuff growing here. So this right here, I don't know. This is just grass, but they left it alone. That is the bells of Ireland. Like I said, I planted my mullein and my evening primrose, so I have to see what that is. These are the almond bulbs, and something just trampled all over it. So I think it was them stepping on them because they shouldn't have been broken like this at all. But they've left them alone. So that's another Bells of Ireland. And the other 2 that were big like that, they cut it down. And I got after them last week and everything and told them to stop cutting. I think this is evening primrose. That was a lily. But this burdock, oh my goodness. I'll zoom back out here in a little minute. Is huge. And all I've done is trim it because the leaves got so big that it was covering up that lily or whatever it was. Oh, someone's broke a branch. So here is this burdock root. This thing is humongous. And every time I trim it, it gets bigger. And I'm like, oh my goodness. So like it does, it's covering up my dandelions and everything right here. So I've got to trim those again. But like I said, every time I trim the big, huge ones, it just grows. This is all bells of Ireland. I have a few more of the little plastic things that I can put out, but I'm just like, oh my goodness. So tomorrow I will be out here again on Friday to sit there and make sure they do not cut my stuff. See, they stepped on that. That's the only thing I can think of. Or it was the burdock leaves. One of the two. So here's the iris. It's closed up. That's another, I think it's a lily. My sunflower, oh goodness, it's gotten really tall. So I put these things, I don't know how well they will hold up, but at least it's there so that when the sunflower grows, hopefully it'll hold it up. And then it looks like it's getting a nice stalk on it too. That is a Bells of Ireland. So I might put another little thing around that one. And then my cilantro and parsley. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to cut some of that tonight and use it. And the ginger I put in there, it didn't do anything. It hasn't done anything. I think it's been too cold. So let me get some of this cotton wood seed stuff out. I'm not trying to grow trees this year. But yeah, I'm going to trim some of that because I learned a long time ago. Trim it and then it'll keep growing. So I'm excited to have that. So that is what's going on and everything. I'm just super excited that things are starting to grow. It was still, I mean, it's a cool day. It's like 60. But it's better than, better than what it was. A bird robin over there hopping around. See the birds over here? Come and get these berries off this tree. And we still never know what this tree was. It's definitely not a crab apple. So, yeah. I think it's cool to see everything grow. I can hardly wait to get some tomatoes. No, I've got to look. See, the turnips, I planted, I think it was back in April. Some things I had to do twice. So, but yeah, here we are. Right there. So I did take a couple of things off of this one to taste the cilantro. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Fresh cilantro. And all. So here we go. I can't wait to have some turnips. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you later.